Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I go by the name I am Obari. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share. Yeah, it's a nice Friday evening. So as you can see, there's some sunset over there. Yeah, it's a very nice sunset over there. So actually guys, I've been busy since morning. I was here with Momanyi. You all remember the store I had here for the firewood. Yeah, I hope you guys remember. For those who've been also watching my videos, you saw some firewood here. So we've removed them and placed them this other side. We've placed this other side. So we are trying to make some structure for my turkeys. Yeah, as you can see, we've already started building here. So I guess by Sunday it will be ready. And so guys, I have some good news for you. Our turkey has started hatching chicks. Yeah, it has some chicks here, like 4 of them. Yeah, it has some chicks here. I don't know if you guys can be able to see. Let me show you. Yeah, as you can see here, we have the baby chicks. So I know by by Sunday they'll be all hatched. Yeah, it has like 19 eggs there. So already 4 have already hatched. Yeah, and the other chicken there, I had put for it some guinea fowl eggs, and it has hatched one guinea fowl egg. So maybe we'll give it time and see. Maybe tomorrow or Sunday we see if it will have hatched all the chicks. So actually this week my chicken have been spending the time outside here. Yeah, I just decided this week they spend their time outside here. Yeah, so as from tomorrow I'll be looking for them inside their cage as usual, as I prepare to see what to do next. As you can see, let me put my light on. As you can see, some of them have already come inside to sleep. Yeah, they like booking spaces for them to sleep. Yeah, so guys, that's what's going on here. And also we are out of water. I'm still planning on what to do. We are now completely out of water, but the chicken coop tank has some water. That's the one that I'm using to give my chicken. Yeah, for the chicken, they are already sorted out. It's only on our side that we don't have water. So I want to see if I can get someone to go to the river and get us some little water we use as we wait for the rains. And if I had some good money, I could have bought some clean water with the water tank. Yeah, because our tank over there is completely dry, and even the one that supplies water to the house, it's remaining like today, tomorrow, the water will be over. So my good people, I don't have much. Just wanted to update you on what I'm doing currently. I know it's taking a while to get long videos, but I'm trying to balance and make more long videos than the shorter ones. Yeah, so you guys can help me think on what structure I can build here for the chicks and the turkeys. Yeah, for me, I was thinking here, you see this upper section, I was thinking that I should have the chicks. Yeah, those chicks, when they're hatched and they have like 1 month, let's say 1 month or 3 weeks, I'll place them here. So those the other adult ones will be staying down here. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. So, and you also guys can help me think. And also I can add some few chicken on this other side because this space is big. Yeah, you can see there's that section and they also have this section. So you guys can help me think on how to partition that place. So my good people, let me take this time to wish you a nice weekend ahead. You guys keep safe. The world outside here is not that good, so keep yourself safe. So anything new that will happen this side, I'll keep you guys updated. Thank you guys. Bye.